Yeah, I na-agafekwa na Asubeb primary school. I one Ghanaian. So I think the fencing project is currently being delivered by UBE, Abia State Universal Basic Education. Our fence this place, and okay, that's the signpost. When we go outside, we can be able to read it better. Construction of school hall / perimeter fence and school gates. Also primary school 3 abandoned. Okay. Client is Abia State Universal Basic Education Board. Okay. Which means the fencing and the school hall, which is what we can clearly see here, and the school gates, which is still under construction, is what they are delivering. It's a good one. Every school deserves a conducive learning environment. Every school. Okay, this is the school hall. This is the school hall, as we can see. This is the school hall. Oh, this is inside the school hall that is currently under construction. I think a house member once did a project here. I don't know if it's ABCK. I think Honorable ABCK built some blocks of classroom here. I think the one over there with blue roofing was built by him during his tenure. But school at the Kwanubushi, and school is in session. This is not nice. The management of this school should ensure that the grasses are cut. Can we want a very conducive environment for the students? This condition is not good at all. It's not looking nice. You could say social here. Channel or miri na. This is not looking good. This environment is not looking good at all. So this is what the signpost looks like. It currently okay. Uno plaster in Ogam. Ngara n'ime na-achọ ndị na-arụ ọrụ ahụ ma ama m na ị nọ ebe a. Agara m n'ime na-achọ ndị na-arụ ọrụ ama m na ị nọ plaster jisi ike. So they are plastering the outside of the fence, as you can see.